Friends, today we are going to start a new chapter number 7, Concept of Major Games and Sports. Concept means an abstract idea, plan or intention is called concept of. Relationship between a part and a whole is called of. Major, important, great. Games. A game is a recreational activity is called games. And sports. A sports is a physical activity is called sports. History of basketball. History means the study of past events. Of relationship between a part and a whole is called of. Basketball, a game played between two teams of 5 players in which goals are scored by throwing a ball, a netted hoop fixed at each end of the court is called basketball. The game of basketball as we know it today was created by Dr. James Naismith, a physical education instructor at YMCA College in Springfield in December 1891. Massachusetts sets to conditions young athletes during cold. The game of basketball means a game is a recreational activity. Basketball, a game played between two teams of 5 players in which goals are scored by throwing a ball, a netted hoop fixed at each end of the court. As we know, mean you talk about a thing. It today mean at the present time. Created means bring into existence. Dr. James Naismith means a physical education instructor. Physical relating to bodily. Education, teaching, instructor, trainer, teacher, oblique tutors. At YMCA means Young Men's Christian Associations, college and educational institutions. Springfield, Massachusetts means Springfield, a city in Massachusetts on the Connecticut River. Conditions, state. Young athletes during cold means young athletes younger than adult taking part in sports activity during cold. Throughout the year, relatively low temperature is called during cold. He divided his class of 18 into two teams of 9 players each and set about to teach them its basic of his new game. He divided means split into parts. Class, a set or category. Teams, group, squad, side. Players, a person taking part in sports or games. Set about to teach them its basic of his game means start doing to educate his class team the fundamental skills of his new game, that is basketball. The objective of the game was to throw the basketball into the fruit basket nailed to the lower railing of the gym. Was played in Springfield, Massachusetts on March 11, 1892. The objective of the game was to throw the basketball means the main aim of the game to toss the basketball into a net fixed on a hoop used as a score points into the fruit basket nailed to the lower railing of the gym mean fixed with a small metal spike at a bottom fence of the buildings. Was played in Springfield, Massachusetts age sets on March 11, 1892 means basketball was first displayed a city in central Linus, capital of state, home and burial place of Abraham Lincoln's. The game became established fairly quickly, becoming very popular as the 20th century progressed. The game became established fairly means the basketball game accepted by the spectator reasonably and rapidly, quickly, becoming very popular as the 20th century progressed means to become better and liked or admired by a spectator in 20th century began on 1901 and ended at December 31st, 2000. First in American college, the professional games followed means initially American educational institution, then belonging to a profession game. The American National Basketball Association established 1949. A native or characteristics of the United States basketball, a group of people organized for a joint purpose and accepted in 1949, grew to a integral part of American culture. Basketball now progressed and become involving several million of currency business in America. By the end of the century, basketball became an integral part of American cultures. At the end of the 20th century, basketball made very important function of encompasses the customs and traditions of the United States. On June 18, 1932, that a real international organization was formed, actual global planning was set up in June 18, 1932. The first inclusion of basketball in the Berlin Olympic Games in 1936 the initial incorporations of basketball in the Berlin is the capital city of Germany and one of the 16 states of Germany relating to ancient Olympia in 1936. The first Olympic title was won by the USA national team. The initial Olympic status was attained by United States team that represents a nation. The first championship was held in Argentina in 1950 the initial contest for the position of champion in basketball was kept in hand at Argentina is located in the southern half of the South America. Women basketball is also popular among Americans, Europeans and Australians. Female human beings of America, France, Italy, Germany and Australian also very interested to play the basketball game. India has picked up this game very slowly, Indian players improve their strength in the basketball at very low pace. The standards of Indian players are very poor, low at the court as compared to the European countries. The quality or level of Indian participants are extremely inferior, small at the quadrangular area, either open or covered, marked out for ball games as comparative to the nations like USA, Germany, France, Italy, etc. As in India, the credit this game is popular among tall individuals as they gain advantage height. Means average height human beings because more than height have edge over the low height individuals. In India, the credit to make this game popular goes to YMCA, Madras and Punjab. Means Young Men Christian Association of Madras and Punjab play an important role to admire the game among the Indian peoples. Now, this is one of the most popular games in India. Mean now the Indian peoples like these games very much. This game was also competed in the Asian Games in 1951 at Delhi. In 1951